allowed to make Birkat Amazon on Shabbos if the food you made was not fully cooked because of not tasting this food before Shabbos?
Mm-hmm. So okay, but the bread was okay, right? The bread.
I mean, it wasn't like it was not tasty. It was not really cooked like beans or the
No,
like.
but bread. You Birkas Hamzon, you said for bread. Bread.
Yeah, it was there was
Okay.
bread,
Okay, so
but
if
the food was not.
okay, if bread was okay, so the Birkas Hamazon we have to acknowledge that we say it for bread only, but the bread meal includes all of the others are extra, all the extra. So if they're not as tasty, what can you do? Even partially cooked, what can we do? If you're saying in your mind you're thanking Hashem for bread, so that's the most important part. And the issue was just since he has our friend asked this question. So the issue is with if it's not bread meal, whether or not you would say the blessing to begin with before eating this food. If you know that it's not ready, it's not cooked. So in some cases you would not say any blessing because no normal person would eat it just because out of necessity. But second comment on that situation, we have special mitzvah, it's separate mitzvah before Shabbos actually to taste all of the dishes. So everybody, it says everybody in the family is obligated to taste the dishes because when Shabbos starts it's too late. So you cannot cook, it was too salty, it was undersalted, this and that, so don't blame anybody. So it was your responsibility to taste all of the dishes. Okay. What else?
Because I thought that I was trying to avoid tasting before Shabbos the food.
No, it's essentially opposite. It's a mitzvah to taste from every food before Shabbos. Opposite. So it's for Shalom Bayis issues, but because it's honor of Shabbos. How you honor of Shabbos? You prepare better food than during the week. So right. So you must taste it. You cannot calculate. At least I would not be able to calculate how much salt to put, how much pepper to put, other spices. There is for me there is no way even approximately. So I would put more, mix it, taste it, put more, right, and only by this I would know. So without tasting, there is no way. Okay.
Finally, about this also. Are you allowed to improve the cooking condition of this food which has beans by adding hot water from the water urn?
No, what's up? If the food is not completely cooked, you're not allowed to do anything to this food. You're not allowed to continue cooking, even warm up. You're not allowed. So if you have no choice and you got stuck with that's the only food you have. So you must eat this food as not cooked. That's it. So we're not allowed to continue cooking on Shabbos.
And what about water which is not hot just because it was very dry, the food?
I think about water. Okay, say it again.
Because yes, adding water because it was
very dry. Okay.
Yeah.
So in some scenarios, as we said, you can only add hot water. So cold water, absolutely not, because it's going to cook. It's forbidden. Raw water from the top, right? But if if it's hot water from the water urn or from a kettle that's in the black, yeah, you can add. There is no problem because the cholent is cooked. So yeah, if meat is cooked, water is cooked, and you just add together, there is no problem.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.